Have you ever felt trapped? Like you just cannot escape? No matter what you do, no matter where you go, you just feel like you're drowning. I am exactly at that point in my life right now. And the only thing I know how to do is to just run away from everything.
And this is our AC suite.
Okay.
And whatever you like to book in your room, you can call in reception.
Okay.
Our reception number call is 0. You can write 0 and you can call in reception.
Okay.
And our rooftop terrace is in 6th floor.
6th floor.
You can go there and enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I'll bring your milk coffee in your room, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Okay.
This is the room, guys. It's so pretty. I'm feeling in 0.5 now. It's really pretty here. There's a full-length mirror. There's even a wardrobe. Yeah, there's even a wardrobe where you can unpack. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, that's much better. And then there's AC. The bathroom is quite small and cozy. Oh, I like the bathroom. It's really pretty here. I just wanted to catch you guys up. I'm currently in Nepal. This is such an unplanned trip for me. It's just one of those days where you feel like you're losing your mind. 2025 just started, but I just feel like I've had my fair share of struggle at the start of the year, and things are not really going well for me. I don't know how much exactly I can share on here. I don't know exactly how much, but nonetheless, I decided to take a solo trip to Nepal. I'm in this country. It's in Asia. It's near India. It's not too far from India. So I'm just here. I just got here. I just got to the hotel. I just changed money. I think the currency is a little bit like messy. Like I didn't want to change too much, so I changed $100, and they gave me like 13,350 rupees. Like I'm like, bro, $100 for 13,000. That is crazy. Their currency is really messy. But I have like rupees with me. This is how it looks like. This is 1,000 rupees, and this is 50 Nepali rupee. Anyways, besties, we're currently in Nepal. I do not have anything planned, like I said. I'm just going to be here for like a couple of days, maybe a week or more than a week. I honestly don't. I feel like I'm just going with the flow.
You know the way I feel. You got me losing my mind. Oh, try to suppress my emotions. Never till I found you, baby. They take me up, they take me down.
Okay, our first walk. This is my hotel. Actually, this place is all straight up hotel. My hotel is called Guys, I found a restaurant. It's called 𝐀𝐝𝐴 Kitchen. I hope I'm saying it right. Okay, this is what the restaurant is looking like. It's quite empty. Is this a good sign or a bad sign? I don't know. What is the difference between the momo and
this is fried and this is zol?
What?
Like soup.
Oh, like soup. Oh, what about this one?
𝐀𝐝𝐴, one-sided grill.
Oh, okay, guys. This is my fried momo, and this is, I forgot what this is. I actually forgot. This one. I want to try this. This doesn't have salt and pepper, so I'm going to add mine. And then I try. It's basically just fried meat and vegetables. Yeah, this is way better. After I season it myself. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to try the momo and see. It's very oily. Very, very oily. I'm paying attention to my health, so I don't want to eat unhealthy food. This is so good. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, I like this. This is really, 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 really good. And this is the drink. I think the drink is just so-so. No, just so-so. Harvest days, good morning. Today is day 2 in Nepal. I just woke up. I'm gonna have breakfast. There's breakfast by the hotel from 8 a.m. to 11 and it's like 9 in the morning. I'm currently wearing like my gym wear. I want to do a little bit of run around the city because you know I've been on this fitness journey and I don't want a vacation to be an excuse for me not to work out. So after eating something light, I'll just try to get my 10,000 steps in. I'm just gonna put on like a t-shirt on top of this so I feel safer. And actually last night before going to bed I started panicking like, bro, I literally just came to this country without any prior knowledge. What if it's not a safe country? Like, what if I'm sleeping at night and someone just barges into my room, try to steal my things? Like, I started panicking because, you know, I'm from Nigeria. So what if this country is like Nigeria? Because Nigeria is not safe. So let me show you guys what I did. You guys see what I did? I put this chair. I don't know if this was enough security, but I put this chair by the door and I bolted this and this as well. Guys, this is what I'm wearing. I opted to carry my bag because I don't know how safe the country is. If I leave my bag behind, my passport, my money, everything is in here and I don't want to be stranded. So I just decided to carry it on my run. And my phone is actually low. I don't know if I can get a power bank here like China, where power bank is accessible everywhere, but I am going to just go downstairs now and get breakfast. I think I want to use the stairs, you know, to start my fitness workout, whatever. So we're just gonna use the stairs to go downstairs. I'm on the 5th floor, so it's not really that far. Guys, this is the breakfast menu. I think I'm going to get set A, pancake with honey, eggs in any style, tea or coffee, then juice and sausage. This one.
Yes, you can get it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if the sausage is chicken or not. If it's chicken, I want, but if it's not chicken, I don't want it.
Okay.
They're so nice here. Oh my god, what are these things? This is a gift shop. It's very... Hopefully I can pick up something.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah.
Guys, I found this shop that sells bag. I know this bag in China is so cheap. It's like 20 kwai. They sell like jewelries. Guys, the weirdest thing just happened to me. Oh my gosh, these people are freaking weird. You know this crazy guy walking up to me and saying, oh, you're from Africa? Do you know Africans are prostitutes in Nepal? They work as prostitutes. He's going to take me there. Now, what the fuck are you talking about? It's like, oh, your ass and your boobs are nice. I'm just like, what the heck is this rubbish? Like, I've barely even walked and I'm already being harassed by crazy ass people saying, oh, he wants to take me to a festival. He doesn't want any money. I should just follow him. I'm like, are you mad? Now, people are crazy in this place. After I came back from my walk, everything just came crashing down. Everything I was running from, everything I was trying to avoid, it just seems like everything found a way back to just make my day very miserable. I spent the whole day crying and eating and crying and eating. I just lost all my energy to record, all my energy to just show up. I'm just like in a very bad space mentally, and I just want to wish everyone going through dark times light and love, and just to remind you that everything you're going through is going to be better. Good morning. Today is day 3 in Nepal, I believe. I don't know if it's day 3 or day 4. I mean, I kind of lost track, but something crazy is happening to me, y'all. I feel like I'm such a spontaneous person. You know, originally I had planned that I'll be in Nepal for 7 days, but psych, I changed my mind. I don't know, I just feel like there's just like this period that I feel like this city is not safe. Maybe it is safe, but I don't feel safe. Like every time I go for a walk, there's always one crazy person trying to harass you, you know, calling you prostitute and whatnot, and I just feel like this is not good for me. I'm just gonna go back to China, but I just feel like China right now is depressing for me. I feel like this is probably a story time I'll give you guys later on, so I don't want to go back to China just yet. And it's also like holidays in China, Chinese New Year, everywhere is closed. It's even much more depressing. So guess what I did, guys? I literally booked a ticket to Nigeria last night. Guys, this is the craziest thing I've done. I booked a freaking ticket to go to Nigeria last night. This is so unplanned, y'all. I don't even have clothes, and guys, do you know why this is crazy? I've not been to Nigeria like in almost 10 years, in almost a decade. I'm going home now. Like, look, I don't know if you guys can see, but like, you guys probably cannot see, but I have a very small suitcase that I came to Nepal with, so I don't have a lot of clothes. The only thing I have is passport and money. Those are the 2 things I'm going back home with. Like, bro, I even wanted to get like gifts for my parents, but like my time is too short because my flight is in a few hours. So my flight, I'm going to the airport now, and then from Nepal, Kathmandu, I'll go to Doha. Yeah, I'll go to Doha, and then from Doha, is it Doha or Dubai? I don't know, I have a stopover in one of those Arab countries. Then from there I'll go to Nigeria, so maybe I can get them like duty free at the airport. I don't really know. I just want to get something for my parents. It's been like forever, and I'm going home empty-handed. It doesn't make sense, but I mean, this is not going to be the only time. I actually feel like one of my goals this year is to visit home more often, and I feel like this one is rather spontaneous, but nonetheless I'm very excited, y'all. I'm actually going back home. I feel like it's not yet settling in. I already told my dad. He's like, girl, you are crazy. Like, I'm just like, you know what, I'm coming home. And you know, I'll just spend like the festive, I mean, it's no longer festive in Nigeria, but nonetheless I'll spend time with my parents. And Annie is also in Nigeria right now. I don't know if you guys know already, but I'll also be seeing Annie in Nigeria. I'll be seeing some of my old friends. It's just like a lot of memories. So you know what, let's just go home. Like, let's just go. I feel like I'm actually very depressed right now, even though it's not showing on camera. Yeah, so going back home, reconnecting with my parents, my friends, family, you know, maybe it will put me like in a better headspace. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. Let's go. Today is our last day in Nepal. Actually, I have 3 hours left, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, I feel like I've kind of walked around. There's really like nothing to really do. I've walked around. I'm trying to see if I can buy something on the street. There's really nothing nice I could buy. There's just nothing. Like, I think this country is just for working. Like, I'm just working and eating, working and eating, working and eating. But you know what? I want to try something. There's something called color walk. Like, you go on a walk and you focus on one color. It's kind of good for you mentally. So, and I feel like these days I've kind of like, you know, struggling mentally. So I think I want to walk around and I focus on one color, and I'll try to capture everything I see in that color. I don't know what color I should focus on. Should we do blue? Hello. I think we should do blue. Let's walk and do. I'll try to film everything blue I see. Okay? This is from Colleen Hoover. I read a lot of her books, so we might get this one. These are the 3 options that I have. This one, A Little Life. Yeah, A Little Life. And this one, Hopeless by Colleen Hoover. I love Colleen Hoover. This is Love on the Brain by Aleeza Wood. These are like 2 of my favorite authors, and this one I don't really know who the author is, but I've seen a lot about this book, and it's a very sad book, and it's really heavy, and I have a 25 hours flight. I think it will be good to read this. It will keep me busy, but it's also very sad, so I don't want to be sad. I don't want to be crying on the plane or at the airport. So I'm like, I don't know. This one obviously is going to be romance because they're writing romance novels. So I'm like, this will be spicy. Should I buy this too? I think I'm leaning more towards this because I don't want to cry. And Annie has this book, so if I ever want to read this, I can always borrow from Annie. So, girl math, buy this one so Annie can borrow from me. You know? Guys, I just got to the airport and I'm so freaking confused. I've never seen an airport like this. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. There is also another entrance there. International terminal, maybe here, but why are there so many people? I'm very confused. I just printed my ticket and now I'm leaving. I'm going to the immigration to get my passport stamped. I have done my security check. Oh my gosh, I am so like over this. I think maybe because I'm just really used to China where everything's kind of like, you know, fancy, automated. This airport is so ghetto. First, it is so freaking ghetto. Like, I'm just like, bro, what is this? They're literally telling me to take off my shoes, and I'm in the bathroom. It smells like a really, really bad, like a really bad. They're telling me to take off my shoes at the airport. I have to walk barefoot. I'm like, why? Like, I'm so confused. And everybody right from the entrance has just been asking me, are you economy or first class? Literally the security guard from the main entrance. I'm like, is that a thing? That is none of your business. And they keep asking me, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? All of them. I'm like, why is that anybody's business? I think that's my personal business, where I'm going and what I'm flying. I just think they're so weird. And like, I printed like my ticket. This is the first ticket I'm getting without, like, usually like you get your seat number, your gate number, whatever on your ticket, like the important information. There is nothing. Everything is just empty. No boarding gate number. I'm just like, where am I supposed to go? I am lost. But you know what? I don't think I can keep staying here. It smells like really funky in here, so I just wanted to update you guys. And now we are going to the hall. Hopefully it will be better. Definitely it will be better. So yeah, let's go.
I don't mean to get in your way. Took another shot, girl, I'm way. Shawty, I know that you think we're the same. We can take it back to my place, shawty.